Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the app, so open Snapchat and sign in as needed. Once done, tap the Spotlight tab or magnifying glass to view Spotlight content. This narrows focus to clips and history logs. Then make sure to tap your profile icon in the top left to access account settings related to your activity. You're initiating deletion now, so stay in your profile and get ready to navigate to your settings, where Snapchat stores history and cached media relevant to Spotlight. Next, open Settings by tapping the gear icon on your profile. You should find Clear Cache. Tap it, and then expand the options to remove cached Spotlight media and temporary files. Also check Memories and My Data sections to delete any saved Spotlight posts you own. When Snapchat prompts for confirmation, accept it. This removes local copies and reduces odds of Spotlight history reappearing on your device. Note that server-side data may still exist until you request account-level deletion. Finally, request removal of server copies by using Snapchat's My Data portal or contact support directly to request Spotlight history deletion. Include date ranges and post ID if known. Also manually delete any Spotlight posts in Memories and clear related chats. Once finished, log out and log back in to confirm changes. If history persists, reinstall the app and repeat cache clears, or contact Snapchat support. This troubleshooting step resolves sync issues and ensures both local and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.